Bonafide Hustler here, and we're just gonna have a little vlog session going on. We'll see what the next couple days has in store for me, and I want to share it with you guys, so let's go. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my garage. Dogs are barking, don't know why. Yeah, garage is a complete wreck. A CHEDDAR has hit, and there's just there are profits everywhere. We got crawler bodies, we have fins for paddle boards, we have donation stuff going out, we have things I found in Bentonville, Arkansas. Oh, we have paddle boards. Oh no, we got paddle boards in this garage. We have a bike rack that my neighbor needs to buy off me. Really good stuff, guys. There's stuff everywhere. Look, everywhere. But yeah, first things first is we got to get some of this stuff shipped off. 2 things sold yesterday, 1 thing sold today. Ford Lightning shirt sold. You'll see it on a vlog. It was like a $6 pickup. Got an offer for 40 bucks today. I took it. Actually, it was offered for 30 bucks, and I counted at 40. Took that. So it's sitting in this thing. In here, what do we have in here? Oh, we have a car amplifier in here. One of my old ones that just never got around to using. Anyways, this thing, you know, it's basically mine. Just decided to put it on eBay, and it sat there for 2 months, and then it sold 160 bucks. And then right here we have not some Mary Kay stuff, but some Prada shoes that was picked up for around 20 bucks at a Savers, and it's going out. They sold for around 140 bucks. But those I've also had for around 5 or 6 months. Man, my dogs are going crazy. Yeah, all this stuff that you see behind them, there's just so much bike stuff going on. We just came back from Bentonville, Arkansas bike trip, so like I have some of my friends' bikes here, and just a lot of reorganization going down soon because I gotta figure out a place for this stuff. I haven't decided whether I'm going to sell these really awesome paddle boards. I don't know if I'm gonna sell them. I mean, they're really, really good. They got such a great deal on it, 3 for 375 bucks, and they are super awesome. So I don't know what to do. I'm like in a quandary. It kind of sucks. I'm in a dilemma. I'm in a pickle. Better be a dill pickle though. I mean, I don't know which one I want. Do I want, I think I'll take a Vlasic. Is that what it's called? Those are crunchy. Okay, let's look at some of the stuff from Bentonville. Before you see the Bentonville vlog, I mean, these are some of the things I picked up. Radio controlled airplane motor, a really big one. I think I spent 30, was it, out the door? Something like that. Thing is huge. That's what she said. $5 MX helmet right there. Has a crack on the visor, but it's not terrible. Pretty nice. Hoping to get 50 plus for this thing. I mean, a plethora of fins are all over this place, so I gotta do something about that. Crawler body must make it into a box, so it can go on my box wall, and then donation box needs to go in my car. Just kind of a donation box that, you know, every 2 weeks I put things in it and I just donate it. I think we all have stuff that we need to get rid of. And so if you make yourself a donation box for like an every 2 week kind of donation, it's kind of cool to like declutter your house a little bit. So yeah, but some of that stuff is stuff that just didn't make it to my garage sale. Things that, you know, if I'm bored, I'll spend sometimes 20, 30 minutes just going around the house and putting stuff in the bins. Crawler body just sitting in there. And I did a large Walmart box, cut it in half, and I'm just gonna kind of stick it in there like this. And that's how it's gonna ship when it does ship. It'll be like this. Pretty cool, huh? Just like that. Crawler body's in there. Looks pretty awesome. This eBay tape's pretty cool, actually. It's the next morning, and I'm about to be at the coffee shop. I'm gonna work on the new guide, which is getting close to being done. Yeah, it should be a lot of fun. I'll put about 4 to 5 hours of work in this morning on it. And it's already larger than my Shoes to Bucks guide, which is already my biggest guide. But this will be a really good guide. You'll see. It'll be coming out, I would love to say soon, but you know, we'll see. I always like to issue it out as good as it can be. But not perfect, but super close to perfect. It'll be good. I'm gonna hunker down in my little, you know, little caffeine bunker, and then I'll just go to work. See what else sells on eBay today. I wanna make some eBay listings as well. So, let's see where the rest of the day takes us. Time to get some coffee. That was fast, yeah. Of course it looked fast on the video, but in reality, man, my brain is fried right now, for real. Time to get in the small spaceship. And a pair of shoes did sell while I was doing work in there. I think I'm maybe 13 bucks into them, sold for 110. Pair of Nike Flyknit, just normal Flyknit 5.0s. So that's pretty cool. Gotta get that shipped off sometime today. But yeah, onwards with the day. Gotta get home, eat something. I'm still gonna work on the guide most of today. Trying to try to get a bike ride in as well at some point. All right, off we go in another spaceship because eBay package is going out somehow. Gotta take my friend's bike back to him. We just came back from a mountain biking trip, but I had to take his bike back to town because he had to fly out. So we'll meet up with him, get a ride today, and then, yeah, I'll get those shoes sold. I mean, they're sold, but I gotta get them out of here. And then hopefully later on today, I'll get a chance to put on some more eBay listings, which I cannot wait. Because it's been I haven't put on listings since before vacation. So, anyway, yeah, getting back from vacation is totally not fun at all. It's one of the hardest things to get accustomed to. Because like everything just has to go back into like its normal modes, and sometimes it takes multiple days for someone like me, for example, to go into these modes. It's crazy. So now I'm back in it. Hey, isn't that a Nine Inch Nails song? I swear. Now I'm down in it. Isn't it? I swear it's from that Pretty Hate Machine thing. I swear it is. Right, just got down the street from my neighborhood. Look what I found. Appears to be a mailman. Wow, my day's going great. I wonder if he's into, you know, he better not be vegan because I got some cheddar right here. I got to give it to him. Hey.
What's up?
You're not vegan, are you?
My wife kind of is.
Are you vegan? Because here's some cheddar. Oh, dude, I got it on video. That was good. He liked it. I got him good. Comment down below. Was that a funny joke or what? I kind of just built that on the spot. Oh, man, I should do some stand-up one day, I'm telling you. If you don't know and you're new to my channel, that's Mike the Mailman. He's one of the leading mailmen around this route. So if I go out around, it's about 2 o'clock today, I can usually find mailman, mailwoman, women on the route. I can give them my packages. They'll just take my package. Take my package. It's kind of a convenient thing, honestly. I wish there was like some FedEx mail people that would come around, but apparently you can't just give your packages to FedEx because they're too good to get packages, you know what I'm saying? So don't know why. Makes no sense. But they're also like hardly ever in the neighborhood. In this neighborhood, we see a lot of UPS for Amazon stuff, and then we see a lot of, I think it's Amazon stuff, and then we see a lot of USPS. That's it. Hardly any FedEx people, really. Oh, we see Amazon Prime people too. So, anyway, actually going back to the coffee shop, but I don't have my laptop on me. I'm going to, you know, talk to a long lost friend that I saw in the gym the other day, and we're going to talk about all kinds of cool stuff, like, I don't know, getting fit, marriage, like things like that. So, gonna get to do that, and then I'll get the mountain bike ride down. Then I'll go home, make those eBay listings. Whoosh, about to be at the trail. I got word that E-Money's gonna meet me out there with my other friend. So we will be riding. I won't get any trail footage. Although, if you guys want trail footage, I will show you trail footage. You just gotta let me know, though. E-Money gonna be there. Probably get an hour ride in, then puts me home, you know, somewhere around 4:30 or so, and then I get to do my eBay listings. I'm so happy to do eBay listings. I really want to. I have, you know, probably 10 to 20 items that are on an SD card that need to be listed, and it's just relaxing, you know, to have some music on and just plug in those listings. I like it. How do you guys down there in the comments like do your listings? Like, do you have a TV going on? Do you listen to podcasts? Do you listen to the radio? The radio. The radio. What? The radio? Do you listen to? Okay, fine. Do you listen to tapes? CDs? DATs? Oh man, mini discs. What do you listen to, guys? AM radio? Gosh, just put it down below. Whatever you listen to, just put it down below. I don't care. I just want to see what you guys are into. Yeah, E-Money's here. E-Money. All right. E-Money, you gonna ride?
Yeah, let's go.
All right, let's go. I'll see you guys when we're done. Oh, I got them those glasses from Amazon. They were like 20 bucks shipped to my door. These things are awesome. And they come with 2 extra lenses. What? How was the ride, E-Money?
Oh man, I'm hungry now.
You're hungry?
I gotta eat my leafy greens.
You gonna eat your leafy greens, E-Money? This little bing bong. So yeah, beautiful day here in Austin, Texas. Hopefully the garage sales will be really good this Saturday. I hope so. It's supposed to be a nice weekend. So we're gonna go out there like crushing it. Maybe we'll find a BMX bike, maybe a carbon road bike, you know, make some money. Maybe we'll find some glass jugs, maybe we'll find some chairs. Who knows? So that was a nice mountain biking ride, of course. I didn't get any time, like just life gets busy, you know. I didn't get any time to do my eBay listings. What? But it is currently 5:47 in the morning, the very next day, and I'm gonna go to the coffee shop, and instead of working on the guide first, I'm gonna get my eBay listings done first. Then I'll work on the guide for a little bit. Should be a pretty interesting day. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do a lot of work today. guides take a lot of freaking time. Like, they just are not fast to build at all. But when they're finally done, they're pretty cool, you know? I like them, and it just takes a lot of work. But this next guide is gonna be chock full of cheddar stuff. As of right now, it's 144 slides so far. That's a lot. That's more than any of my other ones. So we'll see where that one takes us, and I'm not even close to being done, but we're gonna get that done, and then we're also gonna see if I can get a micro 1 or 2 thrift store hot shot after the gym done today. So we'll see how that goes. I need to get into the savers and everything like that. I still have like all these coupons that I need to use by the end of the year, so maybe I can find some good stuff today. We'll see. Man, oh man. Also putting stuff on Craigslist and local markets as well. So when I list on eBay, I consider, you know, if I want to make a double or triple listing on some of these other avenues. And so, yeah, definitely making some ads right here. Only allowing myself about an hour this morning to do this, and then maybe another hour today at some point to do this some more. So. But it's good to be up early. How many of you guys out there wake up early to get stuff done? Do you? Do you? Some of the neat stuff I'm actually selling on eBay. Cool Goodyear hat. You might have seen it in a previous video. Some TMNT stuff. Look at that. 1991 Mirage. Pretty sweet stuff. And some tripods. I gotta list this guy soon, right here. So I better get that done real quick. Ew! Ew weather! I got a lot done with the guide today. Oh my gosh. A lot of fun stuff done today. You know, the interesting thing about the new guide is it has elements from some of the other guides in there as well. So there's a little bit of bags to bucks in there. There's a little bit of shoes to bucks in there. A little bit of all kinds of things to bucks. You'll see. But I've noticed that there's a little bit of overlap, but it's spun in a different way. So pretty cool. I'm gonna get the workout done today and then go home. Got a question about some steel toe work boots. And I don't know if they're steel toe. That's what the question's all about. I can't remember if they are or not. And if they are steel toe, I should have put it as a keyword. But anyways, we'll see if we can get a over $100 sale today on some work boots. If in fact, when I press on them, they feel like they're steel toe. We'll see. Got done with the workout. I'm en route to Savers. I'm gonna do a micro hot shot, see if I can find anything. Maybe a Savers, maybe a Goodwill, and maybe another Goodwill. That's what's up. Gotta see if I can use this thing right here, guys. We'll see. Boom, we're here. Savers, you might be in Old Circuit City or a Cons or something like that. You can't fool me. You were something else before you were Savers. We're gonna get in here and see if we can find anything. Hopefully we can. I'm gonna be looking hard. Trust me. Ew, 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 ew. And the weather outside's so icky, it's actually like nice to be in here. In the bag section, looking around, don't see anything yet. Nothing catches my eye as of right now. Motorcycle jacket, an Icon, no liner, Speed Freak, 15 bucks. Could be good. Oh, never mind. You better make sure you look at all your stuff, guys. Here's a brand that doesn't do so well anymore, but it's still a good brand. Prana, but just doesn't have great resale. It sucks. It's actually a good brand though. So they got all kinds of Hokas down here. It's got some Hokas there, Hokas here. This is like a condition that I'd definitely pass on right here. And they want 10 bucks for it, so this is a pass. But let me show you what a buy looks like. This is more like a buy. See, much better. Just clean it up a little bit. Looks a whole lot better. Simple rag and water will take that dirt off right there. It still looks pretty good. All right, so for 4 bucks, I'm gonna get into this. This is a chinchilla with a really cool print. Now you might be thinking, oh my God, what a deal. 3 bucks. I mean, $3.99. Issue right here. I'm still gonna get into it. Someone's gonna, you know, probably buy it and put it right to Patagonia and get it repaired or something. But yeah, that's the only issue on this thing that I can see right now. But yeah, these chinchillas sell for crazy money. This is probably, if it didn't have that issue, a $100 chinchilla, but it's more like a $50 chinchilla now that it has that issue. So I did end up buying the Patagonia thing and those Hoka One shoes. They were Bondi 4 women's shoes. They should sell for around 50 to 55 bucks. 10 10 bucks into those shoes. And then when it comes to that, you know, Cinchilla Patagonia thing, I'm hoping for about 50 to maybe 60 bucks. And that thing was 4 bucks. So let's go to another Goodwill. Let's go to a Goodwill and see if we can find anything there. This weather sucks. Just looking around. Ladies. Is Calvin Klein even cool, ladies? Let me know. Is it? I don't even know. I don't see anything here. We'll go to one more Goodwill, then we'll go. Then I'll get home. Let's get in here and see if we can find anything. Look at that. Bad condition, not good condition. That's a pass. All right, didn't find anything there. We're gonna end the vlog here. Shout out to a subscriber, Trey, that I guess knows my channel. But shout out to Trey. What's up? He was in there and making some hustles. What? That's pretty much the vlog, guys. Open up, little car. That's pretty much the vlog. It's like a little bit of everything. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, put a like down below and leave a comment. I love comments. I'll see you guys later. Is Calvin Klein cool? Ladies, let me know. I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.